My name's Josh Dobson.
My name's Elliot Lidstone.
My name's Henry Scott.
My name is Simi.
My name's Richard Knighting.
My name's Peter Vaughan.
My name's Rob Walcott.
My name's Jethro Lawrence.
My dish is the herb-crusted cod loin with a bean cassoulet and paprika tossed potatoes with peas.
I've created a pole barley risotto with cauliflower, pickled cauliflower and chicken as well with it.
So my dish is a chicken thigh with a honey mustard dressing that we've paired with a nice sort of warm, light summer potato salad.
One of the dishes that we'll be making very shortly is a chickpea and apricot stew, and it is mellow, comforting and sweet and beautiful to look at. So that's very delicious. The other thing, which is a massive favourite of mine, is sticky toffee pudding. And what we've done is there we have used plant-based ingredients to make something that's very familiar, but also on this occasion lower in sugar and nutritious.
The dish is navran of lamb. It's a nice spring summer lamb dish that's quite light.
So one of the dishes that we created is, well, the French name would be beef à la flamande, and it's a dish from Flemish, it's a Flemish dish, Belgium. And then finally for a dessert, then this is all about summer, and I don't believe there's a better combination than chocolate and cherries. So effectively it's a hot chocolate and cherry brownie pudding.
It is a smoked haddock omelette. In essence, we took an inspiration from an Arnold Bennett, which is a traditional British dish created by the Savoy Grill in London.
My dish is gammon and Somerset cider sauce.